Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how you can insert any PDF file in Microsoft Word. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open Microsoft Word software. Here I am using the Microsoft Word 2007 version. You can use the same process even in the 2010, 2013 or 2016 version. So here you can see its user interface. So when you click on this insert, you can see here on the upper top left side, just click on it. So here you don't get to see here any option to directly insert any PDF file. So what you need to do is that you need to click on this object. As you can see here, object, just click on it. So here is a pop-up message appears. So here are various options you can see, but you don't need to worry, or you don't need to select any other words. Just you can see the first one, Adobe Acrobat document, you select it, and once you have selected it, you can see here below OK, just click on it. So here a new window appears. So here my PDF file, so I'll be selecting my PDF file, and once you select your respective PDF file, you click on open. So you can see it's being inserted. This is a PDF file, so this is a complete book PDF. So when you double click it, it will directly open the entire book pages, and it will open in Adobe Reader. So in this way you can insert any PDF files in your Microsoft Word software. So if you face any problem using these tutorials, you can leave your comments below, and in my opinion you should definitely try it out, because in someday you may need these tutorials and it will gonna help you in your daily uses. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.